Want the crispiest air fryer chicken legs ever? Let me show you how. Start by placing 3 chicken drumsticks into a large bowl. Add a generous splash of soy sauce for that deep flavor. Next, we're adding some smoked paprika. Along with some onion granules and garlic granules. Add some hot paprika for a nice little kick. And here is the secret ingredient for maximum crunch: potato starch. Put the lid on and shake it up really well to coat the chicken. While I shake this, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Tell me in the comments. Now, let's place our beautifully coated chicken into the air fryer basket. Make sure you press the remaining seasoning right onto the meat. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, it would mean the world to me if you could hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you never miss an easy recipe. Let's pop them in the air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. After a few minutes, take them out and give them a flip so they cook evenly. Give them a quick spray with cooking oil. This is how we get that perfect golden crust. Time for another flip. Keep an eye on them as they start to crisp up nicely. Checking the temperature, we are at 70 degrees Celsius or 158 Fahrenheit. They need a little more time. We're looking for a safe and juicy core temperature of 80 degrees Celsius, which is 176 Fahrenheit. Look at that golden perfection. Serve with your favorite sauce and enjoy the crunch.